We gathered all possible hammermade sleds and all kinds of winter transport to take part in a hot snowy race. Let's go! Hi there, as usually it's me, just a voiceover. You are watching Review Machines, and I am so glad to see you at our annual big battle of cheap winter machines. If you are new here, let me tell you a few words about this event. Once a year, numerous hammermade and cheap winter machines are gathered together to take part in an exciting and funny snowy race. Snowmobiles, motorsleds, snow scooters, all of them are here with only one requirement. The vehicle should be affordable. Well, it's time to begin, so get comfortable, my friends, we are to start right now. We begin with the stage 1, the mass race. All the machines take part in this race, trying to get to the finish earlier than the others. Everyone seems to be ready. Let's go! While we are watching the race, let me tell you about the main rules of the event. This very stage will not be counted in the final result. It's just a warm-up race. The final result will be based on two other stages, the trial race and the circuit race. All the machines are divided into the groups, depending on the type of the machine. In each group will be their own winner. I'll tell you about the groups later, and now let's begin the big battle. Well, the trial race. It's opened by the snowmobiles with the power up to 20 HP. This very sled is equipped with 12 HP motor. The task of the trial is to take all the checkpoints with the minimal time. Now for the first time we will see the whole track, but then I'll show you only the most interesting moments, not to make the video too long. And after all the machines in the group pass the boss trials, we'll see the results and the winner of the group. The next one is a mini sled, which is called the next. It's a rear engine sled with 20 HP engine. The next sled is called Fisherman with 20 HP engine. Here Piston Goose with 20 HP engine. For this very group, the trial is over. Now we'll see the snow race. Now all the participants should go through the 3 laps of cross-country race. Let's go! Surprisingly, the sled with 12 HP engine takes over the other snowmobiles. Let's watch it. Now you see the results of the group of the boss stages. There are results of each machine for the circuit race, for trial, and the total result. As we can see, the winner is 12 HP engine sled. Let's move on. This group consists of electric snowmobiles. This one is called Irbis Electric. It has 3 kW motor. The next sled is Atlas Eco with electric motor 8 kW power. This sled Tixi with 3 kW electric power. And this one, Arctic Electric Utility Sled, 4 kW power. This time it's electric motor sled with a ski module and 4 kW power. The trial is over. Let's move to the mass race. It's so exciting to watch these machines sweeping through the snowy race almost in full silence. And finally the results of this electric group. In this group there are so-called snow scooters. They are like e-scooters, but bigger and with tracks. Actually, it's a new kind of winter transport. Now we see the snow scooter Opportunist with 20 HP engine. One more Opportunist, but with a shorter base. This one is electric snow scooter with 4 kW electric motor. One more snow scooter with 20 HP engine. And it's time to move to the mass race. Let's go! As we can see, the electric scooter couldn't take part in the race due to some technical issues. And now we see the results of this group. In this group, we'll see motorsleds equipped with ski module and engines up to 13 HP. This machine is called Leader Delta with 8 HP engine. The next one is called Leader Sigma, 8 HP engine. This sled is Tofora Mini with 7 HP engine. And one more Leader Sigma with 8 HP engine. Now it's a mass race for this group. And traditionally the results of the group. This group consists of motorsleds with a ski module and more than 13 HP engines. This sled is called Snow Dog with 15 HP engine. And the next machine, which is called Burak, with 15 HP engine. And the race for these two sleds. The Burak goes off the race, as we can see, but we'll see the stats. And finally, the mass group with the motorsleds more than 13 HP power. There are many crews in this group, so entirely you will see only the best performances like this one. This mini sled is called Yungoi with 3 HP engine from a chainsaw. It's less than 13 HP, but it is in this group, I don't know why. This sled is called Fisherman Cyclone. It has double track and a skid steering with 15 HP engine. The sled Fisherman's Touch with 20 HP engine. The motorsled Fish Hunter with 20 HP engine. The Snow Dog with 18 HP engine. The motorsled Countryman with 80 HP engine. The sled Tofora with 20 HP engine. The next is Burak with 20 HP engine. The sled Host with 15 HP engine. This motorsled is called Expeditor with 20 HP engine. Omega with 20 HP engine. One more sled Omega with 20 HP engine. Toffler sled with 14 HP engine. Norca sled with 20 HP engine. The Snow Dog with 13 HP engine. And one more mini sled Yungoi with 3 HP engine. And now the mass race. And finally we see the results of this group. One more group, Snowmobiles with more than 20 HP engine. But in trial we see only one machine, it's a Snowmobile Atlas with 30 HP engine. But in the race we see a competitor, Azimuth Sled, with 27 HP engine. And the results. Well, this event is coming to an end. Let's call it a day, my friends. Thanks for having a ride with us. Please post your comments what you think of this event. Consider subscribing the channel if you like this video. Stay with us, there will be many more interesting materials here. Goodbye.